Reiterating that China has still occupied India's territory, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he has fabricated a fake strongman image to come to power, which has now become India's biggest weakness as he has to protect the idea of 56 inch. Taking to Twitter on Monday, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi posted a video message and wrote, PM fabricated a fake strong man image to come to power. It was his biggest strength. It is now India's biggest weakness. In the video message speaking on China's strategic game plan, the Congress leader said, what is China's strategic and tactical game plan? Is it simply not a border issue? The worry I have is that the Chinese are sitting in our territory today. Chinese don't do anything without thinking about it strategically. In their mind, they have mapped out the world and they are trying to shape the world. That's the scale of what they are doing. That's what Gadar is, and that is what Belt and Road is. It is a restructuring of the planet. So when you are thinking about the Chinese, you have to understand that it is the level at which they are thinking, he added. Now, at the tactical level, they are trying to improve their position, whether it is Galwan, whether it's Demchok, or whether it is Pangong Lake. The idea is to position themselves, he said. And they are thinking of putting pressure in a very particular way. And what they are doing is attacking his image. They understand that in order for Mr. Narendra Modi to be an effective politician, in order for Narendra Modi to survive as politician, he has to protect the idea of 56 inch. And this is the real reason why Chinese are attacking. They are basically telling Narendra Modi that if you do not do what we say, we will destroy the idea of Narendra Modi as a strong leader, he added. Gandhi continued saying, now the question is how will PM Narendra Modi react? Will he take them on? Will he take on the challenge and say absolutely not, I am not the Prime Minister of India. I do not care about my image. I am going to take you on. Or will he succumb to them? The worry I have so far is that the Prime Minister has succumbed. The worry I have is the Chinese are sitting in our territory today and the Prime Minister had said publicly they are not, which to me conveys that he is worried about his image in defending his image, said Gandhi. And if he allows the Chinese to understand that they can manipulate him because of his image, the Indian Prime Minister will no longer be worth anything for India, he added. Actually, the opposition had been targeting PM Modi over the allegations that the country has not been told the truth about Chinese aggression in eastern Ladakh, when on June 15, a violent face-off in the Galwan Valley led to 20 soldiers laying down their lives for India. At an all-party meeting last month, PM Modi had said China has not captured any Indian territory or crossed the border. Neither is anyone inside our territory, nor is any of our posts captured, PM Modi had said on June 20, adding the entire country was hurt and angry at the steps taken by China at the Line of Actual Control, or LAC. Bureau Report.